you have it. Pretty simple assembly. I had to find these knobs. They hit them inside that battery compartment, but overall pretty easy assembly once you get out of the box. It's got this one lever, looks like 7 different height adjustments. So you adjust one lever, and there's another mechanism on that side that adjusts the front, so that makes it easier than most of the gas ones where you have independent levers front and rear. So the battery charger is one at a time charging, so I'm gonna have to let this baby charge overnight and then mess with it in the morning. We got the up here, looks like, you know, your regular on-off pedal or handle here, and then you got, looks like this must be your start button right here. So you're holding start button and then your go button right there. If you're gonna mulch and not use it, then you put on that little clip right there instead of this cover. So the battery compartment, so both batteries just slide in right there. I'll let this babies charge and I'll mess with it in the morning. So I'll let these babies charge overnight. So when the indicator on here, basically when it's charging it's red, when it's full, battery's full, is green. That's pretty simple. So it clips in, so you gotta clip the back like you're clipping it into the thing and then pop it out. It's right there, pretty easy. Pop in, pop out with a clip.
Wherever I see, I remember